Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe billing to handle credit card payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe billing for handling credit card payments, first, visit the Stripe website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and click on the Developers section in the sidebar. Select API keys from the drop-down menu. Take note of your publishable key and secret key. Next, go to the Billing section in the sidebar. Click on Settings under the Billing section to configure your settings. Set up your business details and ensure they are accurate. Proceed to configure your pricing plans. Define your products or services you want to offer. For each product, set the pricing model, either one-time or recurring. After setting up your products, navigate back to the dashboard. Select payment methods to enable credit card payments. Make sure to enable customer payment methods including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Next, go to the webhook section under Developers on the sidebar. Add a new endpoint to listen for Stripe events. Provide the URL for your server endpoint to receive events from Stripe. Choose the appropriate library for your programming language. Install the library using the package manager related to your language. In your application, set up the environment variables for your Stripe keys. Create a payment form to collect customer credit card details. Ensure the form is secure by using Stripe elements for PCI compliance. After the form submission, create a token using Stripe's API. Use the token to create a customer object in Stripe. Following the successful creation of a customer, create a subscription for them. Attach the selected plan to the customer during subscription creation. Handle responses from the Stripe API accordingly, including errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.